I personally tend to use a good product primer.
Childhood birthmarks, and all of that can be completely covered, camouflaged.
Everyone is using a professional makeup products only, so
Nothing's gonna show. Absolutely not. Because thanks to the technology available today, any black marks, any pigmentation, any scarring, any childhood birthmarks, all of that can be completely covered, camouflaged with your existing skin tone. And you can also, on top of covering that, you can also, try to look a shade fairer if you like. And there are some brides who like to look a little more bright on the day of the wedding. That can be done too. So with respect to any skin issues, on the day of your makeup, nothing's gonna show.
Actually, the use of good product foundations actually help you to hide these scars or the dark circles which usually most of the guys have nowadays. I personally tend to use a good product primer. As a primer, it works a block between the skin and the makeup. So definitely there is no chance of any breakout or allergy to the skin.
and because nowadays everyone is using a professional makeup products only, so it doesn't give any worse effects or any reverse effects. It will just hide and it looks natural on the skin.